Good morning guys! So ito na nga, katatapos ko lang mag-breakfast and I have with me my LifeVantage Collagen Liquid. So iinumin ko na siya. This is my first day of drinking this and this one. So mag-partner talaga siya. And natin. See, narinig nyo talagang nakasealed pa siya. Ang bango. Sweet scent siya. Okay. Cheers to liquid collagen of LifeVantage. Ang sarap. Para siyang apple juice. Actually, nalagyan ko siya ng tubig. Siyempre, kailangan singutin natin. Liquid Collagen by LifeVantage. Ang kagandahan nitong liquid collagen of LifeVantage is it activates your body's natural collagen production, protect against the damaging effects of oxidative stress, improve skin hydration, tone, and elasticity. So, maganda liquid collagen para sa ating body. So, I need to try it. Sana pala nasubukan or tinry. Kasi medyo pricey nga lang siya. But when it comes to our health, of course, titipirin ba natin ang ating sarili sa ating kalusugan? Hindi, diba? So, bigyan natin ng ang ating katawan importance pagdating sa kalusugan. After taking this liquid collagen, ito namang Protandim and our Energizer ang i-take natin. So, ayan. Sealed pa siya. Kasi kahapon lang siya tumat. Talagang sealed pa siya. Ayan, tanggalin natin ito. Ay, parang laki. Here. Ayan, tubig. Sabi nila, kailangan inumin ito with lots of water. And, so ayan. This is actually a antioxidant. And this is for collagen naman. So, let's see kung ano ang magiging effect nito sa katawan ko. Kasi hindi naman makikita kaagad ang effect in one day. So, probably maybe in 1 week, 2 weeks, or even a month. Depende sa metabolism. Thank you for watching, guys.